Hello everyone. This is an unboxing review of a new JBL E55BT headphones. So it has a Bluetooth feature and it says here wireless over-ear headphones. This one doesn't have a noise cancellation, but from what I heard it's very effective in isolating the noise around you just by relying on the headphones itself. So let's see what's in the box. This one is a new item. It's not refurbished, and I got it through Harman or JBL directly on eBay. So it wasn't from their website, but it was from eBay, but it's under their name. And it was a very good deal. I think these are originally around $150, but they had it for an offer for $39.99, so I thought it might be a good upgrade for the ones I already have. So let's see what's in the box. Right. So it comes with the headphones, and let's see. I'm not quite sure about the quality, but I think it looks like a good quality. I think these headphones also, they have built-in microphones, so you can use them with your phone if you want to make a call or something like that. Also for if you want to connect it to the computer for Zoom meetings and some other things that might be used for. In the box also there is a USB cable for charging the battery, and another cable for direct connection, which I think is very good. Okay, so let me remove this box from here. On the side for now. Okay, so it looks very similar to another headphone that I have, but it's not Bluetooth. So this is my old JBL headphones, but these are not Bluetooth. I think the back side is almost the same. I forgot the code for this one. Yeah, and yeah, so the back is almost the same. The head part is almost the same. I think it's exactly the same. You cannot really tell much difference. The only difference is that you can see that the earpiece is much bigger here. Let me try it on my head and give you my first impression. Oh yeah, these are much more comfortable. They're much more comfortable. They, I think they isolate you from anything surrounding you. The build quality, I think, is not bad. You see this is metal. Maybe that's the plastic part, not the best, but and the leather part here is, I think it looks good. Let me see if it has some juice in it. It does. Turned on. Okay, so I think all it needs is just get connected to either the computer or the cell phone, and but I think it looks very good and something hopefully I can use for the coming year or two without issues. And I heard it keeps the charge for 20 hours, so you can use it for 20 hours, and then it needs to get recharged. All right, thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I think it's something to keep in mind that at some point this unit was sold for close to $40. So if you pay over that, then it should be considered overpriced. All right.